Hello, in this video we show you the location and how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Ford Focus 2 liters TDCI. The fuel filter on this car is located in the engine bay area. The location of it is right there. Before removing the fuel filter, first we need to remove this metal housing, which is held by 4 bolts, which are those 4 bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we're going to start removing the fuel filter. First we're going to disconnect this electrical connector. There is a tab on it that you need to pull up and then pull out the connector. Next we're going to remove those 2 fuel lines. In order to remove this fuel line, you need to press this white tab and pull out the fuel line. If the fuel line doesn't want to come out, you might want to get 2 screwdrivers. One screwdriver to push this white tab and the second just to pry it out. The second fuel line, there is 2 tabs on the connector, one on top and one on the bottom. You need to push both of them together and then pull out the fuel line. Now I'll show you a closer view of the connector to the fuel line. This is one of the tabs and this is the other tab, and when you press it, this tab on the inside, it opens and then you can pull out the fuel line. Next we're going to remove the fuel filter cap. This is socket size 27 that I'm going to use. We put it in there and just turn it anti-clockwise until we remove the cap. Now we're going to lift up the cap, but before lifting it up I'm going to put some cloth underneath just to catch some of the diesel. We don't want to make too much mess. And now we're going to lift up the cap, and that's the fuel filter underneath in the fuel filter housing. Now we're going to remove the old fuel filter and we're going to replace it with a new one. This is the new fuel filter that I'm going to put on, and this is the part number for it. We also need to replace the O-ring on the fuel filter cap. When you put on the new O-ring, make sure you lubricate it with diesel a little bit, and now we're going to put on the fuel filter cap and tighten it. Next we're going to put this fuel line on that side, only on that side, because that's the fuel line that's coming from the fuel tank. Before putting on the other fuel line, first we're going to prime the system, and this is the hand pump that I'm going to use to prime the fuel system. You can see here the direction of the fuel flow. We're going to put this end of the fuel pump on that exit of the fuel on the fuel filter cap, and now we're going to start pumping until there is fuel coming out. Now we're going to collect it in this cup. So we'll continue to press until fuel starts to come out and no air comes out. First it will start coming out fuel with air, and then only fuel. Now that all the air is out, next we're going to put the other end of this hand pump onto this fuel line, and we're just going to put some fuel in there. And once we put some fuel in there, we're directly going to connect the fuel line to the fuel filter cap. So we continue to pump until there is fuel coming out of the hose, and then we're going to put the hose into the fuel line. So now we're going to pump another 1 or 2 times just to make sure that we fill up the fuel line with fuel, and then we can connect it to the fuel filter. I've made a little bit of mess, but I'm gonna clean that afterwards. Now the fuel line should be full of diesel, so now I'm going to connect it to the fuel filter, and the fuel system should be bled. Now I'm going to put on the electrical connector, and that's how you replace and bleed the fuel system. Now I'm going to go inside the car and start the car. We don't need to turn the ignition on and off many times, just once, and we can start the car. And when you start the car, just press the accelerator a little bit, just so that you make sure that the fuel system is primed, and then you can let go of the accelerator and turn off the engine. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.